Good morning, you guys. You've watched me make breakfast. You've watched me make Dave's boat lunch. You're about to see the dumbest, easiest thing for my boat lunch. I have a lock and lock container, and yes, if this was hot food, it has a popping thing on it. If you look close, so I'm not going to wash. We were talking about the lids. These rings they have get moldy. I'm not sure I'm sold on lock and lock, so I'm going to wash this lid before I put that top on. But I have a ton of lock and lock. Here's another one. My lunch is not appealing, but it's going to show you on, today is Thursday, and it was Monday that I meal prepped. I have my chicken Parmesan tenders. So remember I had a $3 pack of chicken? Well, since then we had dinner. They were wrap sandwiches, which I don't think I posted that video. It's on YouTube. I don't know if I can eat all this chicken, but if I can't, Dave will help me with this. I can usually eat one, tops 2 tenders, especially since each compartment's going to have a component of what I want. So I'm going to put, I can already tell you that's too much chicken for me, but I'm going to put it in. And I'm really good at portion judging now of what I can and can't eat. And so I've got grilled chicken that I made ahead of time. Moral of the story is always prepping. Then I have, and I love my separated things, so that's why I buy these lock and locks when I see them like that. Some broccoli salad that the video has not been posted yet. So I try to judge what a half a cup would be. And for this, you've got protein. It's Cracker Barrel, good cheddar in there. You've got protein from the bacon, and you got fiber from the broccoli. That's about a portion for me. So I've been eating this all week. Thank you, Lord, that I meal prep. I can't tell you how much it helps me. I mean, this is just my thing. Homemade coleslaw. I also have the video. All these videos are on YouTube right now, but I don't want to inundate you with 10 videos on Facebook, especially of things that you've already seen me make. So I'm going to do about 2 large heaping tablespoons of that. And see, now I haven't cooked anything this morning because I don't have to, because everything was made already. I pick one day, especially in the summertime. Like when I was sick, I was eating off of my freezer when I was healing. And now in this 4th compartment will be some fresh strawberries. So this will be my boat lunch today. And I'll show you the last little idea. These have been washed already, by the way. So before anyone says Driscoll's has got poop in the farm or anything, they are clean strawberries. I put them in vinegar and water, and then I put them back in the same container that I also washed, because believe me, after having a bacterial infection and almost dying, I want no bacteria. So I'm going to put a lot of strawberries over here, because this will be something I munch on. Like, I won't be able to eat that all at once, just letting everybody know. Someone else asked on Facebook how far out you are. That very much depends how much you can put in your stomach. When you are first home, you're not eating this, none of this. When you first have a gastric sleeve or a bypass or a duodenal switch, you're all on pureed and cottage cheese. So it's just the way, or scrambled eggs. Does that lunch look terrible? I mean, I think that would be a lunch I would have had even when I was heavy. The last component, and I told you the other day I'm not a condiment girl. Well, for these garlic parm chicken wings, I really like this honey mustard to dip them in. So I have this little lock and lock that goes with another set that I have. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon. I don't like a lot. I do a slight little dip. I'll bring a plastic fork. And that's about it in there. And it has a little screw-on lid. I'm going to see if I can fit it in this container. I don't know if I'll be able to. Maybe. It fits in. Oh, it will. And then that will close up once I clean the mold onto the top of that one. I don't like these. So they have a silicone ring. I'll show you. I'm doing a lock and lock critique here. This ring often gets gross. Also, if you're running them through the dishwasher, be sure they're dry before you put the lid on. I got to work it out on the sink. If you look really close, you could see the mold. I'm going to go to the sink with this. I'm going to pack this up. So Dave's got a sub. I'm going to put some chips for him. I've got all this, and it's happy boat day to us. So have a wonderful day, and I will be back whenever I really cook. This was really meal prepping the other day put together. Love you guys. Bye-bye.